Hello and welcome to the channel. It is New Year 2024. I don't make a big hoo-ha about the change in time from one microsecond to the next that brings in the new year. I simply thank the Creator for bringing me to this point in my life and thanks those that have been dear to me. I'm happy that last year the FAA legalized night flights for all drone pilots. Because of that, it is now legal for us to fly at night and capture scenes like this. This is one of the neighborhood fireworks, but the best show is downtown Center City, but I don't venture out on nights like this. So please enjoy. Thanks for following me through 2023 and wishing you the best in the year of 2024.